Welcome
to our channel, friends! Yeah! Okay, today, friends, we are so excited to tell you because it's Father's Day and that we're celebrating our achievement of 1,000 subscribers! Okay, so we're gonna make a drink to celebrate 1,000 subscribers! Party! Girl! Oh, it's time to gather all our ingredients, friends. Okay, so these are the ingredients you'll need. You'll need tea, and kids are not allowed to drink tea, but we're using the tea to do it for our dad. And so, yeah, and we'll need lime in a big spoon, and we'll need peaches and blueberries.
We'll also need strawberries, honey, water, and chia seeds. Chia seeds are really good, have a lot of health benefits. Chia seeds have a lot of antioxidants, fiber, omega-3, calcium, and protein.
Yummy and delicious and also healthy. Okay, Avery, so what will we do now with all the ingredients in the water? Yeah.
We'll just have to mix it in our big pitcher of water.
Okay, so let's start now. Let's try to put all the fruits in.
Careful.
Okay, Avery. How about I do the blueberries? Shoot! Ow! Oh look! It's turning red now! Oh, so amazing! Oh, wow! Oh, smell the guts. Now, am I just gonna squeeze the limes in? Yeah. Okay, squeeze it. This one is my taste. Look away. Friends, look away from the lime. It might spring eye.
So, since we already put our fruits in our water and kind of mix it up, we are now going to put our chia seeds. So, right now our chia seeds are hydrated. So, how you're going to hydrate your chia seeds is we put 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and some water.
It's time to put our chia seeds in.
Careful.
Can you please help me? Or move it. Oh, never mind. Mix it with a ginormous spoon. Looks like a soup spoon. Oh, it's sinking. Sinking. Look, it's sinking. The spoon is... Okay, Avery. Careful because it can sink a lot. I don't know why earlier.
Now, we are going to put some sweetener because it's really sweet.
Tell me when to stop, guys. It looks very nutritious.
Now that we're done putting the amount of honey that we want and mixing it, now we're going to make the tea for the adults. And also you can put as much honey as you desire. Now we're going to make the adult version. So we're just going to put the same ingredients that we put in the kid version, but we're also going to add some black tea.
Careful! Ah! Whoa, it looks different now.
Ta-da!
I want want to drink it, but I'm not allowed to drink tea.
Now we're done our drinks and now it's time to enjoy them.
Yay! I can't wait.
Time to try our drink.
Here's Davy.
For 1,000
Subscribers. Thank you, friends. And let's drink. It's like we're drinking punch in a punch glass. My punch is delicious. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for all the help along the way for helping me get to 1,000 subscribers. Yeah. Thank you for all the support. Yay! Maybe punch now. Okay. Make sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with others my video, your families, your friends,